Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm back with another Azure tutorial. This time it will be a short tutorial on how to move SQL Server data from SSMS SQL Server Management Studio to Azure Cloud. It will be a to the point tutorial, so without any delay, let's get started. I have logged into my Azure portal, and the first thing we will do is we will create a SQL database. So search here SQL database, or you can as simply as go to menu and click here SQL database. Okay, SQL database, and click on create. Okay, and apply this offer, and you will need to create a resource group. So click on new, create new, and let's give it a name, SQL demo underscore RG. Okay, and click on OK, and database name will be SQL demo underscore DB for database. Okay, and we will need to create a SQL server too. Okay, so click on create new and write the name, and the name will be SQL demo dash server. Okay, and the location will be UAE North since it is closest to me. Alright, and authentication will be use SQL authentication, and we will need to set up a login and password. So type here your credentials and click on OK. Alright, and click on next. Connectivity method, set it to public endpoint. Okay, and allow Azure services and resources to access the server. Yes, and add current client IP address. Yes. Alright, and connection policy will be default, and minimum TLS version. Transport layer security will be 1.2, the latest one. And basically this is just encryption. This is encryption at rest, and this is always encrypted, meaning the data will be always encrypted, whether it be at rest or in transit. Okay, and next, use existing data. No, the connection will be as it is, and the maintenance window will be system default. And next, tags. Okay, next, and click on create. It will take some time to deploy, so let's wait. Alright, until it is being deployed, what we will do is we will open the DMA, Data Migration Assistant. Okay, open. By the way, you will have to download it, Data Migration Assistant. Just go to a new tab and write here Data Migration Assistant download, and click on this link and just download it from here. Okay, so where is it? There, and click on plus new, and what we will do is project type will be assessment or migration. Since we are migrating data, so it will be migration. And let's give the project name. Project name will be SSMS to Azure. Okay, and source server type will be SQL Server. Target server type will be SQL database, which we created, and migration scope will be schema and data. And click on create. Now this is our source. We need to give the source name and authentication type. Alright, so let's go back to the SQL Server Management Studio, and what is our server name? So our server's name is desktop OFS 6050. Okay, desktop OFS 6D50. Next, the authentication type will be Windows authentication. And next, connection properties, let it be as it is, and click on connect. So you can see we have our databases here: focus, sample, stolen vehicles, DB, and user details. So user details it will be, and click on next. And now it will be our target. So what is our server name? So let's go back to the Azure portal and click on go to resource. And you can see this is our server name. So copy it and paste it in here. And authentication type will be SQL Server Authentication. Now give the username and password which you set while creating the Azure SQL database. Okay, and now connect. Now you can see we have our database here which we created in Azure. Okay, and so click on it and next. You can also see if you have gotten any issues by clicking on it. Okay, and you can see there are no issues here. So click on generate SQL script. Now no need to change anything in here, just click on deploy schema. Now click on migrate data. Okay, and start data migration. Alright, the data migration is successful. So just minimize it and go to your query editor in SQL demo database and give your credentials here. Now expand the tables and you can see here is our user details database. So you can verify it by selecting the top 1000 rows and you can see here is our data. So that's how you move SQL Server data from SSMS Studio to Azure Cloud using Data Migration Assistant. If you like the video, press the like button and also kindly subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.